How's it going, everyone? This is Dave from wetflyswing.com, and today I'm going to talk about these little Rio wipes for your fly line. The fly line cleaning towelette. They come in just little packages. There's one towelette in here, and these things have been out there a while, but definitely if you haven't seen them yet, I just want to do a quick little video to show you how to put these things together and quickly clean your line. So there's not a heck of a lot to it, so let's just jump into it, and I'll show you. I'll show you down here on the other camera exactly what we're looking at. Break these things out. Basically, you're going to get a sheet like this with some basically some cleaning material on it, and it's pretty simple. You basically, just like you would think, you grab your line, and probably the easiest way to do it is just to strip out a bunch of line out of your reel. Just kind of do this, and just, you know. And it's a good idea to get as much of the line as you're casting. So if you're routinely casting, you know, go back as far as on your running line as you usually cast, and you just take it, put it in your line like this, and just go through it. And then you just kind of go as you're. And I'm doing a short version, but I'm going to clean the whole thing. And once I get to the end, you take off. This line's pretty clean, so there's not a heck of a lot. You can see there's some dirt and grime in here. And then you come through again, switch this over, and go back through it if you need to do another round of it. And you just keep doing that until you get your fly line clean. This is a nice quick thing to use if you're out traveling. You just want to get your line really quickly cleaned up, and it kind of gets you going again. There's a bigger process if your line is really dirty, if you're really needing to go through and clean it super thoroughly. You can actually check out a video I have that shows you how to go through and use a couple of wash tubs with essentially some soap. But if you want to do the quick route and your line's not super hammered, you can just do this. And as you see, it's really easy. I can clean this thing in a few minutes and strip out more line if I need. So as you can see, pretty simple. Comes this little package. Not too much to it. Just go to wetflyswing.com/community, and you can join the group there and just keep up with what we have going. If you have a chance, also, please subscribe down below. Just click subscribe, and that would be awesome. It helps get the word out in some of the other videos and stuff we have here on YouTube. So thanks again for stopping by, and looking forward to hopefully seeing you soon.